No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to hit that subscribe button and join the Gem Squad family. I would love to get to know you. Tell me something about yourself, favorite color, anything. Mine is purple. So I have an unboxing for you today. It is the Boxycharm base box for, what month are we in? January 2022. The base box recently has went from 25 to 27, I think, or 29. I'm not sure. I'll put that on the screen for you. It's supposed to have 4 to 5 full-size items, and it's supposed to be a value of at least $100. So here's my box. I have not opened her, so. And it was a resubscription, so I didn't get to choose anything. So I have like no idea what's in here. Feels kind of heavy. Here she is. There's a card in here. This is a monthly subscription. You guys know that you can get the base box, the premium, which is $39.99 now instead of $35, and then the Boxy Luxe, which may have went up. I'm not sure. I can put that for you on the screen, but they do come with a card, and it tells you the prices of the products, and it also tells you a little bit of information about them. All right, there is something real big in here. Oh, variation. I'll put that on the screen for you. All right, Dragon Beauty. How do you guys feel about her brand? I'm not like real impressed. We have the Lip Job liner and sharpener with a value of $18. This says it is color 2.0 CC. How big is the liner? Woo! That's a liner. Anything else in here? Is there something? Yes. I was gonna say, it said sharpener. So here's a little sharpener that it comes. I think it's neat that it comes with a sharpener. And this is what the product looks like. Ooh, it's light. Ooh, let me see. Not real creamy. Kind of drying. I'll have to try it on lips, but that is what the color looks like, and I'll try to get a close-up picture for you. Okay, so that was our first product. Let's get in here. Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. Let's see what it says. $44 value. A skin plumping micro filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. All right. Of course it says more than that, but why read everything? I mean, it's a serum. We're going to open her up. I do have some pharmacy products. I think they're okay. Sometimes they make me break out though. Let's see. This is the one I already have. No, I have Honeymoon Glow. This is Feeling Good. All right. There's a pump. Let's just see what the consistency looks like. It just looks like a moisturizer. I love the fact that it has hyaluronic acid in it. Scent's not bad, but it's not good. Okay, here it is here. Ooh, the more that you like rub it in, the more that it looks like a lotion instead of a serum. Okay, not bad. Not mad at it. Let's see what's next. Don't know what those things are supposed to. No way. I'm gonna save that one for last. Oh, I think I got my free gift in here from resubscribing. That's what it is. Yay! Okay. All right. We've got something by Purr Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology. Wait a minute. $22 value. The Fully Charged Mascara is powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly Lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. Oh my gosh, is this the one that my friend said that doesn't come off? She said she lost a lot of lashes from it. Oh no. And then what happens if you have magnetic lashes on? Could this be a recipe for disaster? I think it might be a recipe for disaster. I'm scared. Do I have a doll that has lashes I can try this on? I'm scared. Seriously, I'm super scared. Okay, and I'm super can't get the product out. Okay. Rip the box, Karen. Just rip it. Okay. Here it is. I don't want to open it because I just don't, but we're going to anyway. I do like the wand, but I am really, really scared to put this on. So I'm going to wait and find out a little more information about it. If you know anything about this product, put it down in the comments below. Please. You would be doing me a huge favor. Okay. A few items left. I keep knocking everything over. Yeah, okay. Okay. Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar. What is she? $38 value. As sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm. They insert a lively abundance of vitamin C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet. Alright. I tried to read it like they would in a commercial. Yeah. I wouldn't buy it if I was reading it. Okay. There's a seal. Okay. So this balm is like a moisturizer. This is weird. It's like poking. It's, I don't know. Let's just pull some. I don't know. This is weird. All right, let's put some here. Smells good. It's got beads in it. Well, you know what I mean, like that grittiness. Does it disappear? Yeah. The grittiness disappears and it leaves you nice and shiny. I'm guessing this is supposed to really be a nice moisturizer for dewy skin like it says, but for dry skin more than anything. Okay. Last product. The Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit with a $40 value. So this is to accentuate, define, and highlight the face. 3 contour shades for sculpting and 3 highlight creams to enhance your favorite features. It includes a removable and refillable pans, packaged in a travel-friendly mirrored palette. All right, let's do this. This is heavy. I like how well it's packaged. Step-by-step instructions included inside. That's funny. Okay. Yeah, definitely very heavy. Oh, she's like a book. No wonder why. Aw, look. You get this pamphlet. Tells about the product. You get, there's like a face on here. Have you guys seen the face? There she is. Okay. And then it even has a mirror with their Instagram on it. Okay, so this is what she looks like. There's lots of shades in here. There's a yellow for brightening. There's 2 light shades. This is all to brighten areas. When they say highlight, they mean brighten it, not like an actual highlight, which I'm sure you guys know, but these are those colors here. I'm trying not to get anything on my white outfit here. So I'll do some swatches on my hand. These are the colors that were in the first row. Let me go ahead, show you the colors that were in the last row. Alright, if you can see that there. I'll do more swatches over on my Swatch Investigator channel. Let me go ahead and show you, we'll recap, and then I'll go over the new product I got because I resubscribed. I'm really trying hard not to get anything on this white outfit. Alright, so we got the Aesthetica Cream Contour Bronzer. It comes with instructions, which I think is really, really cool. We got this mascara that I'm not so sure about that has magnetic properties. I'm like, doesn't tell me how to wash it off either. So I'm scared about that one. The Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. The Dry Skin or just wanting to look dewy Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. And then we've got the super long Dragon Beauty lip liner with the lip liner pencil. So that's pretty cool. That's a decent box. And then look what I got. Violet Voss. I'll put the total value of everything on the screen for you. I'm excited. You know what though? I think I've only used one Violet Voss palette. This is Violet Sunset. I wonder. Pro Series eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, look at her. I need to know if you want me to use her or if you want me to do a giveaway. Let me know. Put that down in the comments below. Because if you guys want me to use her, I will do a separate look using this palette. And I can do swatches over on my other channel. And I don't know. That's it. She's very pretty. I like the fact that she has a mirror. These are always compact. Violet Voss is a pretty decent brand. These palettes usually have a $30 value, sometimes a little higher. So that's everything. Now tell me, what do you think of my box? I definitely think it was worth resubscribing for this month at least. But I want to know what you guys think. Put everything down in the comments below and let me know if you get Boxycharm or if you like Ipsy better than Boxycharm. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I will do my very best to answer them. And I will see you really, really soon in another video. Bye!